Now there's one more thing we need to adjust for the character. Right now when we play, the camera is a little bit too close to the character. So we'll need to adjust that. So let's see how we can adjust the camera settings. Go back to the blueprints folder and open the player blueprint. And in here, you'll find these two components for the camera. There's the camera boom and the follow camera. If you go to the viewport, you can see what these are basically. The follow camera component is the camera itself. And then the camera boom is this line here. That's basically like this stick that holds the camera away from the player at a certain distance. And when you rotate this stick around. And we basically want to make that stick longer. So while selecting the camera boom, we go to the target arm length in the details tab and then set that to 600. And as you can see, the camera became a bit further away. Another thing we want to adjust is make the camera a little bit higher so that it's focusing on the head of the character. As you can see right now, it's focusing more on the neck of the character. So we go over here and set the location to 40. And now it's more centered with the head. And now when we press play, the distance is a lot better. And the camera is focused on the head of the character. This will make it a lot more easier to go around and do platforming challenges. One last thing we want to adjust is the camera lag. What this is basically is the speed at which the camera is following the character. Right now by default, it's just always stuck to the character as you can see. But if we go down here to the lag section and then press enable camera lag and then press play, and now when the character is moving, you see that the camera is lagging behind a little bit. But it's a little bit too fast, so let's make it a little bit slower. So we'll set the camera lag speed to 5 and then press play again. And now the camera is lagging a bit more and it's feeling a lot more natural. So now when we're walking around, there's a bit of a lag and this feels a lot more like typical 3D platformers. And that's it for the camera settings. Make sure to save everything, and to save everything in the project as well, we press the Save All button.